Hello everyone, here at Trader Sam's for another episode of Brad Ventures. And this is going to be like Trader Sam's / Polynesian Resort update because it looks absolutely beautiful and I'm very impressed with what they've done so far. Take a look. It has come a long way. Yes, it still has a lot of ways to go, but that looks absolutely fantastic. I like it. I like that they kept the old school like brown, yellow, orange look, those colors. It looks really, really good. But enough of that. This is what we're here for. Kona Cafe for dinner, Trader Sam's for some drinks. I can't wait. Let's go! The glazed chicken wings, and we're gonna get a review firsthand here and see what they taste like, how they are. I timed that perfectly.
Delicious.
Are they good? Are they better than the ones over at Ohana, or are they not quite as good?
These are better.
Really?
They're crispier.
I like crispy wings. I hate soggy wings.
No, these are crispy. Ohana's like depends on the day. Really crispy.
That wing sauce is good. Teriyaki. I definitely taste teriyaki. They're really good. I actually do think these are better. That crunch. What'd you get?
Just a little burger.
Yeah, I think everyone would have seen that out of context and thought that I got that burger because I love burgers so much.
I would get that.
And that you would get the tuna poke, but no, we went the other way with it this time. I'm excited about this. I love these, by the way. These like seaweed chips, oh, so good. I'm gonna just take a bite of everything together, even the little boba balls, so I can get a good little taste. Minus the seaweed chip. Let me get a good little taste and see how it tastes. The boba actually goes really well with that. Did you try it?
That's really good.
That works. I like boba, like in like ice cream stuff. I don't like it typically in food. But all the flavors combined work really, really well with that. That's really good.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Just note the cheese, the fried cheese that's larger than the burger.
Yeah, the burger, that big piece of orange back there is fried cheese, or like, I guess grilled cheese.
I thought it was just cheese on the, yeah.
All right, we haven't gotten called for Trader Sam's yet, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go explore the gift shop, see if there's any cool merchandise out. Let's go. Kona Island is open. This is exciting. This is just like recently opened, right? I'm glad I came in and we found this. This is an Alani Loungefly that came in. They got 8 of them. This is the last one that they have. They randomly got some Alani stuff, and it's pretty cool. I really, really like it. It's also these really cool Alani ears. And an Alani Moana. And some Alani shirts. So this is the first time I've seen the Cruella ears in person, and I don't know. It's like something Johnny Rotten would wear. I don't know. It's very strange. The new Vera Bradley bag. The not so new Moana Dooney and Burke. And the also not so new Kate Spade Alice bag. And this guy stole my shirt. This is the line for the Dole Whip here. This line is all the way back there. Nuts! So if you've never been here, you don't know what all the commotion is about. Anytime you order one of the signature drinks, ones that can be served in a souvenir mug, something different happens in the room. There's an effect they can activate. Except those. Yeah, this is the only one that does this. But so the pearl, the hippopotami tie, the nautilus, they usually make a whole big thing about opening the clamshell, remember? I haven't seen them do it tonight, but they used to do it. But so anyway, so the nautilus, the uh-oh, hippopotami tie, the zombie, and I feel like I'm missing one. The uh-oh.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, those are the ones that will trigger effects once you order them. And they do it every time. So if somebody orders 5 of these uh-ohs in a row,
Anything in a fun glass.
they're going to do it. Anything in a fun glass, they'll do the effect in the room. It's really cool to see, especially in person. Was actually featured in the Tiki Room under new management as an animatronic. Did you know that? There you go. Now you know. You're welcome.
We are now underway and proceeding on course for a voyage through liquid space.
Holly, there's a hippo in the trees. There's a hippo in the trees. Two shots of rum! Tonight we actually did something we've always wanted to do and just have never done for whatever reason. We ordered the uh-oh, and it's coming this way. This is the best, most fun I've ever had. Let's tiki gods will squeeze out. Oh. Whoops, I made a little bit of a mess from my cinnamon I made a seriousness? This might be like the best looking tiki mug. And we would have known that had we ever ordered it before now. I've only seen it at a distance. It's great. We ordered the headhunter roll and forgot to film it while we started eating it. It comes with like 3 more pieces than what's shown. Well, that's not good. There we go. They definitely lost power.
Yeah, it's quiet in here now.
That was weird. It was like that for like 30 seconds. It's awesome. I got an error screen. It looks stunning at night already, even with the construction still going on, but this thing is really coming together. Also, I saw the Moana rooms. They look fantastic. It's more subtle than I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing, because I think there's a place for like the cartoony stuff, and I think that place is going to be the Art of Animation Resort. I think that's a good place for all the cartoony stuff. Moana fits in obviously with the theme of the Polynesian, and I was a little apprehensive about it changing because it's my favorite personal resort. And or I'm sorry, it's not my personal resort, it's my personal favorite resort. I said it backwards. And I was a little like, don't mess with it, but they did it really well. It makes sense, it fits, and it looks really nice, and it's kind of subtle. And it's kind of the same thing they did with the Contemporary, where it's, you know, the Incredibles now, but it still kind of fits and it's subtle. It's not so in your face, but I'm impressed with this. I really am. This looks really, really good. Really good. Well, that was a blast. I had a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we do new videos every time. And from the Polynesian and from Holly, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time in the next video. Stay safe out there.